In this video, we are fixing up the mechanical components of our budget Civic Si. I think next step is going to be taking this bumper off because it looks pretty bad and we have this leak. So the bumper will have to come off to replace the radiator, to diag it, and then also to fix the bumper so it doesn't hurt, especially with it already being mostly off, to just whoop, heave it all the way. All right, so first mod is taking this thing that's already half off all the way off. Easy. Okay, next up is this bumper. Oh, beautiful. It's like hardly even in here. Grabbed a couple tools. Get to it. And it looks like it's just 2 hexes right here to get this off, and then we'll be able to take out this wiring as well. So there was the one fog light that was connected, ripped that out of the housing, threw it into the trash because it's junk. And so I think since the opportunity presents itself, we can clear up this wiring mess and clean off the terminal end as well. Just instinctively grabbed a 10 mil and remembered you can completely rebuild a Civic with only a 10 mil. And I love it. I love it so much. I'd go so far as to say it's a little bit crusty down there. Anyway, I just got to take off the bolt, take that off, and then clean the terminal ends. I'm gonna do that really quick and you'll see the result. Success, I would say. Much better. Much better. No wiring mess, not as filthy. I just hit it really quick with some natural shine after I hit it with the brush. So easy, like new battery now. JK, but it does look cleaner. And now we also get to remove this whole wiring mess right here. And it should, hopefully, depending on how thicky these wires are, just snake right out. We'll also have to disconnect it from whatever switch is plugged in down here. Less is more. Definitely less is more in this instance. Cleaned it up in a major way. Awesome. That's trash, that's trash, that thing is trash as well. And now I think it looks better, even though it's less. Good. So now that we have all of this open, exposed, and available, we can take a look at what is wrong with the radiator. And it looks like this already. Pretty clear, pretty concise, pretty easy. You can see some coolant. I don't know where it's coming out of, and I really want to make sure it's the rad. You can see the color there. It should be straight, and it is most certainly not. I'll show you down in the car. So here's what created the issue. This is very suboptimal. Bent, not right. I think this should be further up. You can see there. Anyway, everything's deconstructed. Everything is deconstructed. This is the day after purchase. I called the local parts stores, asked if they had anything in stock, and they said no. Both were special orders and wouldn't be here until Wednesday. Well, eBay and Amazon get them in Wednesday and Thursday as well. So we just went with that route. It's half price. So we are just chilling. Saturday afternoon, all the progress that can be made mechanically right now has been made. So we sit and wait until the parts arrive, and I will catch up with you then. So huge come up here at the homestead. We got the radiator right here and the new AC condenser right there. So we are ready to start on the mechanical components of the baby Civ. I cannot wait. This was supposed to get in yesterday. There was no way that I could have gotten it faster, but man, it has felt like forever because I've been wanting to drive this thing. It's like my favorite car. So I've been dying to get some road time on it. Anyway, I'm gonna go grab coolant and jugs of water as well, so that we can have the whole job bip, bap, bop, done. I don't know what I'm saying, but I'm grabbing some fluids so that we're not overheating a dry engine. There we go. Should be all right. On. Now, can do a little leak test. I've gotten a radiator in the past where it was junk when I bought it. All right, now for the AC condenser. So we got the rad in, wrapped up, and now it's time to let it run, bleed that coolant right there. So the good old Civ is running. I am bleeding the system right now. And if you see this, we got a headlight, and if you see over here, we don't. So we got to replace this bulb. I already grabbed it, so that should be good. I think this is pretty well bled. And then moving on to the inside, where is it? You can see the coolant temp is where it's supposed to be. It's blowing moderately warm air. Obviously, I don't have the cap on, so I need to ensure that it's properly and fully bled. Then put the cap on, then make sure we have heat. Figure out the AC. See about getting it vacuumed, getting the air in the system vacuumed from the new compressor, and then filling it with refrigerant. I've never done an AC condenser before, so yeah, that's about it. Easy. So with some dirty hands, we just got the headlight bulb changed. Should be good. Yeah, progress. Easy progress this morning. I like how this goes. So I want to take this guy on a little test ride, make sure that everything's good. It's been running for a little while, staying at operating temp, no overheating. Cycle fluid around the system, and I still have that stinking daylight, daytime running light on. Must be the wiring. So there it is, running, driving with no issues, no leaks, no weirdness. We got her fixed, which is great. New radiator, new AC condenser, and as you can see here, it looks pretty good. This is actually the next step I'm filming after the fact. We got this thing cosmetically looking just as good as it's performing. So if you want to watch the detailing video and the cosmetic fixes and enhancements video, be sure to click the subscribe button, hit the little notification bell as well to stay up to date with this whole build. We are transforming this $2,600 Civic Si. And of course, if you want to learn how to make automotive money, then click the link down below. With that in mind, I will see you on the next one. Peace.